Hello, students. My name is Casey Nguyen. I am a CIS instructor at Moreno Valley College. I'd like to invite you to take CIS-18A, which is Java Objects. In this class, you will learn about Introduction to Java Concept. We will learn to create class objects along with creating graphical user interface using Java. Java is used in a lot of electronics equipment. As you know, if you want to get into Android development for Android phone, you would need to learn Java, and you can integrate SDK, your software development kit or Android kit with Java programming. There are a lot of jobs for Java developers. So this is a really good programming language just to learn in addition to your C++ and Python. So this is a 6-week course during the winter, which starts on January 3rd, 2022. It is an online only course, so you can watch my instructional videos and exercises. So I walk you through the lecture and the lab. I have a YouTube channel for that will link to the course. And so I hope you can join the course and be able to complete the course by the end of the winter so you can move forward in your computer science degree and also your gaining some skills for your future career. And I hope to see you in the winter.